Simba TV.
The first artificial satellite to be launched into space was called Sputnik 1. It was launched by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957, marking the beginning of the space age and the dawn of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Sputnik 1 was a small spherical satellite measuring about 58 centimeters, 23 inches, in diameter and weighing approximately 83.6 kilograms, 184 pounds. It was equipped with 4 external radio antennas that transmitted radio signals back to Earth. The satellite orbited the Earth at an altitude of about 215 to 939 kilometers, 134 to 583 miles, and completed an orbit approximately every 96 minutes. The launch of Sputnik 1 was a significant milestone in human history, demonstrating the capability of launching objects into space and opening up new possibilities for scientific exploration and technological advancements. Sputnik 1's success also sparked a sense of urgency and competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, leading to increased investment in space exploration and the eventual landing of humans on the Moon.
Simba TV.